Golden layer haircuts are a timeless trend that assembly blends sophistications and vibrancy. These designs offer versatility, catering to a wide range of the hair types and lengths. Whether you have sleek straight hair, very stylish waves, or the stunning curls, there is a golden layer haircut for you by my channel Life with Style. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. Warmly welcome where style meets innovation. In today's video, dear viewers, we are diving into the glamorous world of hair fashion with my spotlight on the stylish golden layer haircut design ideas. If you are searching for the perfect hairstyle to elevate your look, you have come to the right place. So dear viewers, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of hair transformation together. Stay golden, stay fabulous. So, if you are ready to take your hairstyle game to the next level, don't miss out on my stylish golden layer haircut design ideas video. Whether you are a trendsetter or a classic beauty, these designs will inspire you to embrace the golden touch. So dear viewers, but this video is not just about showcasing the latest trends. We are also here to provide you with very trendy and eye-catching golden layer haircut ideas for your face shapes and personal styles. We will also discuss styling techniques and how to keep that golden shimmery intact. So you can see my video till end. Imagine walking into any event with an air of confidence, knowing your hair is your best accessory. My video